A pleasant day to all the participants, organizers, and guests of today's event. It is my honor and pleasure to be a part of your celebration of this year's National Microinsurance Month. I would like to express my earnest gratitude and appreciation to CLIMBS Life and General Insurance Cooperative for having me as one of your speakers for today's activity. In our continuous efforts in fostering financial inclusion for the Filipino people, we want to make sure that no one is going to be left behind. The introduction of microinsurance and other microfinance instrumentalities made it possible for us to reach out to the marginalized sectors of our communities and promote financial awareness among them. It has been a laborious work through the years, but it is a successful and inspiring one nonetheless. Microinsurance and microfinance institutions in the Philippines have created innovative mechanisms to address the financial needs of the low-income and marginalized sectors. It promises a sustainable approach to risk management. But microinsurance is more than just a risk management instrument. Microinsurance and microfinance services could serve as a comprehensive and collective tool to reduce poverty, inequality, and vulnerability. Microinsurance plays a significant role in alleviating and reducing poverty by strengthening the capacity of the poor to improve their lives and get out of the poverty line. Microinsurance mitigates financial burden in the event that risks happen, helping its beneficiaries to be financially resilient in times of contingencies. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues to challenge us, it has been even more necessary for our microinsurance providers and microfinance institutions to extend a hand and support to their clients and beneficiaries. Another challenge we have to face is the fact that the marginalized sectors, which are the target of microinsurance, are also the ones who are most affected by the pandemic. Nonetheless, we should still continue our efforts to reach out to them and educate them about the importance of insurance and microinsurance products, especially in times of crisis. Yet everyone needs to understand that microinsurance literacy and awareness is an all-encompassing initiative and not only for the poor. We need to instill consciousness of this program to various members of our society. Another sector that can benefit from microinsurance services and microfinance instruments are the small businesses, or MSMEs, which are greatly affected as well by the pandemic. Over the years, the microfinance institutions in our country have provided microinsurance products to MSMEs and have continually developed innovations and mechanisms to fit the needs and the paying capacity of their clients. MSMEs have shown that they can contribute to the growth of the Philippine economy with their contribution to the country's gross national product. Therefore, it is important for us to support them by providing comprehensive services with which they could manage their risks and bounce back from their losses. The emerging technology and its continuous development could also be seen as both an opportunity and a challenge for the microinsurance sector. Used wisely and efficiently, technology could be a powerful tool in making financial risk protection more inclusive for every Filipino. Technology and other digital innovations could improve the products and services of microinsurance providers. It could also widen their reach to the people by utilizing technology-assisted transactions and communications. However, accessibility among the people, especially in the far-flung communities, still remains a question. The affordability of gadgets to access these digital transactions and innovations is a related concern. Even if gadgets were acquired, at what rate are the target audience capable to utilize them? Lastly, one of the enduring challenges that the microinsurance sector has to face is the lack of understanding and awareness among the people. This was being addressed by the continuous efforts of the Commission and our partner organizations in promoting insurance awareness and by continuously educating our fellow Filipinos about the importance of insurance, microinsurance, and other similar instrumentalities. Despite all these challenges, I am grateful for the positive performance of the microinsurance industry as reflected by the year-on-year increase in the premiums collected and the number of individuals insured. As of the third quarter of 2021, the microinsurance industry has generated higher premium contributions amounting to a total of 7.35 billion pesos, which reflects an overall increase of 67.41% as compared to 4.39 billion pesos of total premium contribution during the same quarter of the preceding year. The total estimated number of insured lives also increased by 23.65% year-on-year from 39.6 million insured individuals in the third quarter of 2020. The estimated number of insured lives has grown to 48.98 million individuals covered by microinsurance as of the third quarter of 2021. The industry achieved this success in spite of the pandemic and other calamities that our country had experienced recently. This achievement fuels our optimism and faith that the industry will continue to be resilient and responsive to the needs of its clients and stakeholders. For 2022 and beyond, we are set to continue our efforts to help the industry sustain its progress and to further uphold the resilience and integrity of the industry. Certainly, it will still involve our collective efforts to spread information and awareness about microinsurance and other financial instrumentalities in general. Together, let us put our work on building a better and brighter future. Thank you, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.